Hi guys, this is part of my installation and troubleshooting series I'm putting together for you. I hope everybody refers to it when they download one of
I'm
my...
not sure I understand.
Whoa, Siri just talked to me. This one I'm titling Help, It Doesn't Work, which is the worst thing I could possibly wake up to in the morning is when I get that in Etsy as far as a message. And I always smile because I've never had anybody, it works. It's just, you know, I know that feeling in technology when you get something and you're like, oh my God, it doesn't work. What do I do? And so please watch this titled Help, It Doesn't Work. All right, so we're going to go into a planner. And this is the number one thing I get where people say, help, it doesn't work. So it's because the number one thing is you are in this mode. See this little button up here? It's writing, no writing. Right now we're in no writing. And when you're in no writing, you can tap on everything. Everything works. But when you're in the writing mode, right, your pen mode, you can't do anything. Actually, you're putting dots all over. It doesn't work. And that's the number one reason why people go, oh, it doesn't work. So that's all you have to do. And the same goes for Note Shelf and Notability, although they do have, they work a little bit differently. But this is the number one reason. The second, let me get out of this planner and I'll get you into my planner here. Oh, we're in my planner. Okay, so with my landscape / portrait items, so with my landscape and portrait items, you know, they work in landscape, and then if you double tap or, you know, swipe or, you know, pinch your fingers, you can make it into portrait mode. I get this a lot from people saying, help, it doesn't work. They are saying it doesn't work, and then they cannot get it to go into, do you see that? They can't get it to move. They're like, it won't do it. I can't do it. It won't go from portrait to landscape. The first reason is in your control center, you have screen lock on. That's the first reason. The second reason it won't work is, hang on. Wait, did I get there? Down here, your scrolling needs to be set to horizontal. If it's set to vertical, right, it'll look like this, and you cannot get it because that's not how it's set up. It will not double tap. I mean, yeah, you can pinch like that, but what a pain would that be? So you definitely need to have your scrolling direction set to horizontal, and then everything will work as it's supposed to, and you're good to go. So those are the three main things that people contact me about. So I hope this helped you when I get the help, it doesn't work. Also, something to keep in mind is anytime, because I know that feeling, right? That feeling like, oh my gosh, it doesn't work. So if you're in that state right now, here's some things to do while you're waiting for me. I usually get back to you guys really, really quickly if you have a techie issue. But I also sleep, so I always feel bad for the people that contact me, you know, overnight. Make sure your device is updated. Make sure GoodNotes or whatever app you're using is updated. And if it's, look at GoodNotes, Note Shelf, and Notability's help, tips, and troubleshooting. A lot of times it has to do with their program. It's not my planner or notebook or whatever. It's a, you know, technical question. And I'm happy to help find that for you. You know, I do that a lot. I help people. I go onto GoodNotes and send people links. But, you know, while you're waiting for me to help you, definitely consult GoodNotes, Note Shelf, Notability, or whatever app you're using. And because, you know, you don't want to have to wait for me, you know. So anyway, I hope some of this helped you guys. Thank you for your purchase and have a great day. Bye.